This is Ayers Reef. It's one of the two last remaining intact barrier reefs. It is the first to accept the force of water coming out of San Antonio and Espiritu Santo now, since the second chain of islands has been so greatly diminished. It runs from Matagorda Island to the mainland, and it must be given protection from harvest.
This is Ayers Reef, another barrier reef that spans the open water between Matagorda Island, across Ayers and Mesquite Bays, and onto the mainland. Historically, it has been a continuous ridge of shell that acted as a levee to restrict the flow of water and sudden surges coming out of San Antonio and Espiritu Santo Bay. These islands also serve as barriers to slow the current, thereby reducing erosion. Now we're coming upon Ayers Dugout, which historically has been a breach in the reef. The fact that this is one of the last remaining semi-intact barrier reefs screams for it to be protected with sanctuary status, free from the commercial harvest of oysters. This is the first and most important of the baffle reefs that attenuate the wave action and current out of those two bays. Protection is even more essential because the second chain of islands has been so substantially diminished. Here you can see the continuous reef structure with a more severe slope along the windward side because wave action has undercut the reef, much like the commercial harvest eats into the shell, degrading its integrity. We cannot allow this to continue for the sake of our fishery and the ecosystem as a whole.